Things to consider before buying camping gear. 1. Budget. Some great pieces of camping gear can cost thousands of dollars, while others are relatively inexpensive. Before choosing what you want to spend this year's budget on, consider what items in your gear closet are most in need of an upgrade. What is starting to wear out? What did you purchase a decade or more ago that would benefit from an upgrade? What most limits your ability to enjoy the outdoors? 2. Space. Beyond budget, one of the biggest constraints with camping gear is space, so consider if the amount of space a new piece of gear will take up in your vehicle will help to maximize your camping experience. 3. Longevity. Before you drop some of your hard-earned money on a new piece of camping gear, it's important to know if it is a solid long-term investment. The Outdoor Life Gear team looks carefully at the durability of the products we test to help you make this decision. 4. Making space in your gear closet. Don't just toss that older piece of gear you are replacing in the trash. See if there are friends, family, or neighbors that might benefit from it. Many of us started our gear closets with the cast-off of older, more experienced campers, and handing down gear that you've outgrown to the next generation of campers is an important tradition to uphold.